Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. Today's episode I'm going to show you the ways to turn on message delivery tick mark on Messenger. So if you had recently turned off or disabled the message delivery tick mark on Messenger, then what you have to do is, for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up your Messenger application. And when you open up your Messenger application, then you just have to go to your try bar icon and then go to gear icon. So here you need to first of all turn on your active status by toggling the button. Next, you need to go ahead and unrestrict the following person that you've done. You could also do this by tapping on the gear icon, scroll down a bit, and you should be able to find this option as restrict or restricted account. When you locate the restricted account, you can just long press on it, and then you could go ahead and tap on unrestrict located right at the bottom, and you should be able to turn off message delivery tick mark on Messenger. Likewise, the next thing what you have to do is you need to exit out of your Messenger application and then long press on your Messenger and tap the I button. Next, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and click on the permission and make sure to enable all of the permission, and at the same time, if you have disabled your notification, you need to go ahead and turn on the notification. So that is how you can go ahead and turn on messages delivery tick mark on Messenger. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.